has been consistent since time immemorial. They are patterns. In today's era of robotics technology and artificial intelligence, solving patterns has been easier and much more efficient. Hi, my name is Prishkar. Today, I am going to present to you an interesting project. The name of the project is Auto Rubik's Cube Solver. Here is the much awaited project. Let's dive deep into it. The components of the project are rotation motor, controlation motor, color motor. Rotation motor rotates the cube. Controlation motor controls the cube by turning it. Color motor scans the data of the colors of the cube. I'm scrambling the cube. I'm placing this cube in the holder. This is the controller motor. This controls the cube. This is the rotatory motor which rotates the cube. This is the color sensor which scans all sides of the cube, and this is the heart of the project, the hub. As you can see, this is scanning the cube and this is switching face to face. You see right here, this is taking 4 to 5 seconds because the color sensor sends the input to the hub so that the hub can execute the algorithm to solve the cube. You see right here, the controller motor and the rotatory motor is solving the cube. And you see right here, half of the cube is being hovered. This is the important because right here you see in this, so I programmed it for that if the color sensor gives the input to the hub to solve the cube. The hub gives the program details to the motors to solve the cube. It is solving it, as you can see. So right here you see the green, the blue. This indicates that it is solving the cube. As you can see, it's going to over. It's 75% completed. And you see right here, the cube is completed.